My name's Liz. I've been fostering for nearly 10 years, then came across a year ago to Neathport Talbot. With the first agency I went to, there was very little community because it was a very small agency spread over a large area. And what I found with Neathport Talbot is that the community, again, I can ring up the girl that did my Form F if I'm stuck to try to get hold of anybody, and she knows who I am and she can then pass an email on and get the answer back. So I very rarely am not able to contact my social worker. She's really supportive. She's 100% there for me and I trust her. I don't feel that she's going to go away and forget or anything like that. As part of Neathport Talbot, I definitely feel more included and more connected. I feel significantly more listened to. And if I have a suggestion, it is taken on board and it is considered. I feel that I'm in control, and I'm in control of the children in a way that makes me feel that they're safe, which I think is really, really important. I don't think someone's going to come along and pull the rug.